Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be installing a center console armrest. It's a leather look material, it's got a couple of extra storage pockets in the side. I mean, who doesn't need extra storage in a Bronco, right? So let's go check it out. A big thank you to Beegrow for providing the product for this video. This is a really nicely finished center console armrest cover. It's got a leather look quilted design on the top and storage pockets on the side. And on the underside are some elastic straps to hold it in place. Open your center console cover and slide it on. The elastic straps are really tight, so you are going to have to wiggle it around, but just persevere and you'll get it on. Having this extra ½ inch of foam on top of the armrest makes a world of difference. Okay, so you've got to wrestle it around that armrest, that's for sure. But once it's on there, I gotta say, hands down, this is possibly one of the best modifications or additions I've done to our Bronco so far. Because on a road trip, that armrest is sweet. It's really, really nice. It's really comfortable, and I don't know, it just feels amazing. So if you think this is a great addition to the Bronco, give this video a thumbs up, maybe subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.